So what is happening is this bumper is being taken off so it can be painted. Whoever painted it before didn't prep it properly because the paint is just flaking off. Welcome back to Initial Speed. Today, we work on a Hyundai Sonata. This is how we remove a bumper. Alright, so what needs to be done is there are these little fasteners. One there, one there. So how they work is when they're new, they're a bit more narrow. And as you push this piece in, it spreads the outer or the inner part. So what you need to do is pull the top up, and then I've got a interior trim tool, and that just walks it out. So I've got to remove these 4 more to go. Then from what I understand, there are the same things, they're the bottom of the bumper, and then on the inside of the wheel well, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, there is a nut, well, a bolt here. You pull that, you pop the sides, then you slide the bumper toward you, and then disconnect the fog lights if you have fog lights. And that is pretty much it. So I'm going to sit you off to the side, and you'll be able to see from a distance what I'm doing. Another thing you want to remember is Ziploc bags. Put the parts in here. So what is happening is this bumper is being taken off so it can be painted. Whoever painted it before didn't prep it properly because the paint is just flaking off right down to the black bumper, the naked bumper. So we're going to take the bumper off, take it to a buddy of mine, he's going to paint it up, and we'll throw it back on. But in the meantime, you want to keep track of your hardware. You don't have to go out and buy new stuff when you already have it. It doesn't make sense.
Another one.
Sorry, one thing I forgot is that bolt needs to be removed on both sides. Just giving you a heads up. All the bolts and everything are pulled off, so now it should be just a matter of unclipping the bumper from the body of the car. You want to be not overly aggressive, but aggressive. Okay, so now we gotta remove the lines from the fogs. Actually, I'm going to get you a focus. I just don't want to pull on the wire too much. So we can do it 2 ways. It's not clicking. Yo, slow motion. Bounty Killer. Next the Daps. And Baby Sham. And that's the way it's done. Thank you for watching Initial Speed. Any questions? Down in the comments. We'll try and give you a hand. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and look around on the channel. Maybe you'll find something else that you like. More entertaining or educational. You choose.